Hello, we are from Group 5, and today we're gonna present about the Mindmap of Module 6, which is the web design and also smartphone applications development. So let's look at our first topic, which is the 18 checklist for designing and interact and effective business website. So the first one is about the mobile responsiveness, which is about the mobile friendly to enhance the user experience. Also the navigations, which is like limiting clicks needed to access important page. Also the contract informations, clean design, right, to enhance and encourage user engagement and reduce the bounce rate. The next one is about the domain name and hosting, which is you choosing memorable domain names and reliable web hosting to improve accessibility and online presence. The next one is about user-friendly CMS, which is a content management system like WordPress for easy content organizations and also management. The next one is about the effective color scheme, which is a complementary color scheme to enhance web as aesthetics and also the recognitions. The next one is about the branding, which is in order to build trust and also stand out among like website online. The next one is about the functional website, which is designed ensuring the functionalities of all aspects of website, considering user interactions. Then so the next one is about the strategic CTAS, which is a call to action strategies as considering areas where visitors are more likely to engage. The next one is about the loading time, optimizing the website loading time to prevent the high bounce rate, and also considering factors like fast hosting and also the image compressions. The next one is about the active blog, which is maintaining an active blog to increase traffic and also gain leads and improve the engine ranking. The next one is about SEO friendly code. The next one is about the browser compatibility, site securities, implements effective security measure to protect user data and build trust. Also, the next one is about the customer testimonials, which is a showcase customer testimonials to provide social proof and also build credibility. The next one is about the tracking tools, which is the tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to measure and adapt your website strategy based on the performance metric. The last one is about the original content, which is creating originals and diverse content, including written, visuals, and audio formats to engage and inform visitors.
Moving on, these are the essential components of a small business website. Firstly, a notable domain name. A domain name works as an identity of your website, for which it is also often recognized as a website address. Secondly, scalable and secure website hosting. To make your website isn't accessible on the internet, you are required technical assistance and hosting service for a website host. Thirdly, a well-organized navigation bar. A navigation bar should be visible at the top of each page, not just only the home page. Fourthly, business appropriate design. A small business website should be designed based on your target audience. Focus on user experience rather than the visuals. Next, contact details. Contact information should at least show the name of the business, address, telephone number, and email address. Next, a friendly About Us page. Gives you a great chance to tell your story to your visitor. It's also help connect between you, your brand, and your potential customer. Next, social proof. Your site design should highlight elements like customer testimonial reviews, client videos, and rewards. And lastly, proper planning of website maintenance. A website maintenance plan is a complete guide that consists of actionable tasks to maintain and improve a site overall performance.
Okay, the next topic is a quick homepage checklist that will help your business shine online. Links to an external site. The first is a business website homepage. Must have a clear website, tagline, and a paragraph. Include who are you, what do you do, why should your target audience care, and what is the benefit. The next is navigation. Next is a photo of yourself or your team. Next is a paragraph about yourself or your team, and call to action. The next is the logo and the search box. Next is a social proof. The last one is the smart footer. It includes the copyright, navigation to main pages, privacy policy, enter of use, contact information, include the address, phone number, email address, and the link to map, social media accounts, email sign up, and the search box, latest articles, and the call to action. The next one is other things you may want to put on your business homepage. It include the selector, product or service, freebies, books, courses, featured blog, post the features of videos. For the homepage design, it need to have a clear design. What's the important is a prominent, logically related elements are also visibly related, and the clear structure links visually stand out. Avoid a visual clutter. The next is minimal distraction. The next is minimal the friction. The last one is the proper usage images. Use high quality images when you using the images of people. Avoid stock photos, and add an image only if it help your accomplish one of the following goals.
So next is the top mobile app development trends of the year 2020. So there are 6 main trends. Let's start with the first one is the blockchain. So the blockchain technology has helped so many startups and business to create their own blockchain-powered app, smart contract, and blockchain-based software solution. It provides features such as sending push notifications, managing user to your apps, and connecting third-party cloud service. So the next trend, second one, is artificial intelligence, is that the developers community have tried deep learning and machine learning for building mobile application, such as Siri or Google Assistant. For example, like VR and AR, it's better to say that was the huge success for the gaming brand, which is make it more reality and virtual reality apps to drive their mobile application download and revenue for their business. The next one, the third trend, is that the 5G technology for mobile app developers is the 5G is the most popular one, such as AT&T in America. It has launched the AT&T 5G innovation. So is the program create and develop new customer experiences with the power of 5G, and yeah, it brings the experience to the customers. The next one is the fourth one is the instant app for mobile app development. It helps with the iOS and Android app developers. Next is the fifth trend, IoT trend in the sphere of mobile app development. And the last one, the sixth trend, is that the year of mobile wallet. In 2019, customers will shift toward commerce as the technology like IoT and decentralized platform are entering into mobile payments and powering mobile apps with more secure transaction options. So the brand like Samsung is using mobile wallet to give their customers a more convenient and safe platform for money transaction and bill payments. So next, my friend will talk about
Okay. Next is mobile application development. So the application and device platform currently we have two device platform out there, which is iOS and Android, which use the iOS were developed by Apple and Android were used by several different brands of phone. And next is the alternative for building mobile apps. We have first is the native mobile, which is when the native domain also produce the one that they use in their platform. And next is cross-platform native mobile application. We have hybrid mobile, which is something like JavaScript and etc. We have the last one is the progressive web application. So the mobile development life cycle is just like two circle on the right hand side of the screen. We have the mobile application. We gotta develop and test, analyze, release, and monitor the whole thing. And we have cloud the back end, which is just like the same cycle of that we have before. And next to my friends.
For the last one is ultimate website checklist. It's about a feature of a successful website at one glance links to an external site. So it is focused on what features make a good website. This ultimate website checklist should help you critique and improve an existing site faster, or to make sure you did everything right from the start when you launch a new website. For the first thing is get visitors to your website. It's about organic search. There is 3 ways to attract people to your website is organic search. Organic search refers to result display for search terms that do not include paid advertising. Organic search results are determined by a number of general ranking factors that related to a user search. Backlink domain authority, device, user location, and many other factors to make your website effective for SEO. The second is social. It is a website traffic through various social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Blogger. That increasing this traffic can be done by creating content on social media and sending links to our website. When people who use social media see that there is interesting content, they will click to view it, especially on social media that has a large number of followers. There is a chance to create a lot of traffic sent to the website. It is considered a channel that can be used for free. It just requires creating interesting content and posting regularly and interacting with followers to get people interested in following the website. And the last one is paid search. It is about paying for advertising in Google's ad by bidding on keywords so that our website can appear on the first page of Google search results, which we will have to pay when someone clicks on the advertising link to the website. The average cost per click is different for each keyword. The more competitive the term, the more expensive the cost per click. Therefore, if you want to advertise to increase traffic, you should choose a keyword that is quite specific in order to get more clicks. For the second point is make a great first impression. It's about flawless user experience, content presentation, and content quality. User experience is about simply refer to the way a product behaves and is used in the real world. A positive user experience is one in which the goals of both the user and the organization that created the product are met. For the content presentation is about text into account the layout and consider arranging the content to make it easy to read and use varied visuals to make it more interesting. But be careful not to overdo it. For the content quality, that is making content that takes into account the originality, relevance, useful, and informative quality, engaging, and etc. The supporting claims with evidence will make you sound authoritative, even if no one knows you. For the third point is get people to know, like, and trust you. It's about reinforce great impression that creating a great first impression for your website is very important because it affects the evolution and connection of visitors to your website. And it's also about encourage to discover more content that creating a context or elements on your website that stimulates and makes visitors want to explore the content further and followed for more information, whether it is a blog, email, subscription, and navigation. For the last point is make a sale. That's it about the service and product page. It's about your page. Your website is an important part of your website that needs to attract attention and help visitors make informed decisions about using your service or product with customization that takes into the account the text, visual presentation, and call to the action. And it's also about the conversation process that creating a conversation process on a website is a great way to create an effective and efficient user experience by using simple steps that give website users the impression that the website is easy to navigate. So that is the end of our presentation. Thank you.